Sorry you guys, I had to go back and re-edit this video. This video was posted on February the 1st, but for some reason my channel was blocked from being able to post on it. I had to contact YouTube to find out what was going on, and come to find out a hacker got through and did something in my settings which prohibited me from being able to post my videos. This video is for February the 1st workout, so please don't be confused for today. Once again, Happy New Year's to everyone, and I hope you guys are ready to learn these new strategies that I have in store for you guys. So without further ado, let's jump into it. The first step that you want to do is to look to see what your yesterday's date was for your yesterday's day or evening hit. And before we see what that is, for many who don't know, you should use the last hit, whether it's day or night, to find your next future hit. Okay, the month, day, and year that you want to jot down is January the 31st, 2020. The reason you want to write that at the top of your sheet is to keep it for reference for future hits. The reason why is because you can use that workout and the hits you wrote down again when you don't feel like making a new workout. Once that is at the top of your sheet, then you want to write it out in number form. Here is an example. Now your mirror digits and your flip digits represents whatever digits you have written under your previous date. But for now, I will show you guys the step-by-step process that works up to that in each video. Once you have your number set up, you then want to start your plus minus plus counting. So where the first one is, you will count forward. For an example, 1, then 2, then 3, etc. For the second digit, which is also 1, you would count backwards. For an example, 1, then 0, then 9, etc. And also for a note, you guys, make sure you have your mirror and flip numbers on hand, because you need to see what numbers are the opposite of each other. So for an example, the opposite of mirror numbers for 112 is 667. And the opposite off of flip numbers for 112 is 445. But for now, I will show you guys the step-by-step process that works up to that in each video. With just your mirror numbers only on hand, you want to not include it in your last set of digits in your workout. The reason why is because it's best to have them side by side to locate your hit better. For me, this seems to always work good for me. Here's an example of what that looks like for 112. If you want to stick with 112, then that's fine, but it's best to have your mirror numbers side by side. To find your hit, you will need to add your month and day together. For an example, January plus the 31st equals 32. The last digit is always the one you will use in your workout. Date is short for specified by a number, and sum is short for total. Once you have found out what your date sum digit is, then you will look at your on-hand mirror numbers to find its opposite digit. Here's an example from mirror number 2 opposite digit off of mirror numbers. The last step is to locate your hit. You do that by circling the date sum digits that you have and apply it in your workout. In the next video, I will be showing you guys the triggers in your workout to find the areas where the hits are mostly located. For now, study the video and feel free to comment.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's fake, 'cause I don't fucking care.